Can one piece of paper control one of the most powerful countries on earth? Yes, it's the Constitution. It's more than old parchment, it's the rulebook of the United States. Before it, things were chaotic. After it, order, power, and limits all written down. In this video, you'll learn what the Constitution is, why it was made, what's inside it, and how it still runs the show today. Let's rewind to 1787. The US had just ditched Britain but didn't quite know how to run itself. They had the Articles of Confederation. Sounds official, but it was super weak. No president, no power to tax. So a bunch of leaders met in Philadelphia to fix it. What did they do instead? Tossed it and built something brand new. They created 3 branches of government: legislative, executive, and judicial, so no one could hog all the power. Congress makes the laws. It's split into the Senate and the House of Representatives. The president enforces the laws, commander-in-chief, head of state, decision-maker. The courts interpret the laws. The Supreme Court decides what's constitutional and what's not. Each branch checks the others. It's like rock, paper, scissors for power. The Constitution has 3 parts: the preamble, the articles, and the amendments. The preamble says why it all matters. It's because of justice, peace, and freedom. The Constitution has 7 articles. Article 1 covers Congress. Article 2, the president. Article 3, the courts. You get the idea. It also splits power between national and state governments. It's federalism in action. And the cherry on top, the Bill of Rights. 10 amendments that protect your freedom to speak, worship, and stay silent. Other rights include the right to bear arms, fair trials, and privacy. Later, amendments banned slavery, gave citizenship to all born in the U.S., and let women vote. So here's the problem. It was written in the 1700s. Does it still work for today? The world's changed, the Constitution hasn't. But guess what? It can be amended. In fact, it already has 27 times. That's how we got civil rights, voting rights, and more. Every law has to follow the Constitution. If not, it can be struck down. Big debates today, like privacy and gun laws, are all tied to the Constitution. Every student studies the Constitution because it shapes everyday life. It's called a living document because it still grows with us. Quick recap. The Constitution creates 3 branches: limits power, gives rights, and keeps evolving. Legislative makes laws, executive enforces them, judicial interprets them. Bill of Rights equals your freedom. Amendments equals our progress. The Constitution isn't just a piece of paper. It's a living rulebook that protects your rights, balances power, and adapts to a changing world. Whether you're debating free speech or watching the news, it all goes back to this. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet, content made just for you.